before I started this course, I faced so many challenges. There were lack of communications, and then I didn't know what content to put. First of all, when I educate my patients during a consultation, as I go through this course, I feel like I'm not the only one who is facing such problems. And then there are thousands and thousands of physiotherapists like me who's facing the same challenges. And so that's what motivated me more again. Because earlier, going through this phase, like, being a clinician, I felt so demotivated because after spending lots of years, hard work through my college years, I used to think a lot. I used to reflect on myself. And then I think, where is there something that I'm missing? Somehow, I don't know. I was one day I was scrolling through Instagram, and then I came across this course. And somehow I felt so happy that I came across this course. And somehow I felt like maybe this is God said, like God has sent me this course through ma'am and through sir. And just seeing this course and reading those through the highlights, and then again after once I enrolled for the course, I really felt happy that okay, this was not in vain. I really took this course, and there is something really big that is for us physios in the future. So I'm really happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. We wish you all the very best. So, okay,
Yes.
so now let's become the legendary. Yeah.